Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best hyaluronic acid hydrating facial serum available on the market, the Skin Aesthetics Hyaluronic Acid Serum for Face. This Korean skincare marvel is dermatologist-tested and packed with a powerful blend of hydrating and anti-aging ingredients designed to transform your skin. Let's take a closer look at what makes this serum stand out. This facial serum is a powerhouse formulation that combines hyaluronic acid and collagen, two of the most revered ingredients in skincare. It's specifically designed for all skin types and focuses on delivering intense hydration, smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, brightening the complexion, and treating blemishes and acne scars. Crafted in South Korea, a global leader in skincare innovation, this serum aligns with the clean beauty movement. It's cruelty-free, which means it's made without animal testing, and it's infused with natural, skin-loving ingredients like aloe vera, argan oil, and vitamin E. Let's talk about what this serum actually does for your skin. First, hyaluronic acid dives deep into your skin's layers to lock in moisture, plumping it up from within. This results in a smoother, firmer, and more supple appearance. It's especially helpful if you're dealing with dryness or dull skin. Next, collagen plays its role by improving elasticity and reducing visible signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. It essentially reinforces your skin's structure while promoting a youthful, lifted appearance. What really makes this serum a multitasker is its ability to also target acne scars and blemishes. The blend of ingredients helps calm irritation, promote skin healing, and restore even skin tone. You'll notice visibly plumper skin, improved texture, and a hydrated glow. Many users see a brighter complexion and reduced pigmentation over time. If you've been struggling with acne scars or post-inflammatory marks, this serum works to smooth them out gradually. Beyond aesthetics, it also strengthens your skin barrier, helping your skin stay protected against environmental stressors and daily pollutants. Plus, the lightweight, non-greasy texture makes it ideal for layering under makeup or combining with your nightly routine. Skin Aesthetics prides itself on ethical beauty practices. The serum is cruelty-free and manufactured in a facility that upholds strict quality standards. And if you ever run into issues, their skincare experts are available to help, and there's a full money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. That's a level of confidence in a product that's hard to beat. To use the serum, apply a few drops onto freshly cleansed skin. Gently pat it in until fully absorbed, then follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Use it in the morning and at night for best results. So whether you're looking to brighten your skin, erase fine lines, treat acne scars, or simply lock in moisture, this serum could be your new go-to. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on our next product review. See you soon.